Hi, good morning. Today we're doing a demonstration of our new DeWalt 2-gallon 20-volt dry wet vacuum. Really small unit. It's very, very light. You can see it comes with this little hose here, and we have a couple of little adapters as well right here, and here's an adapter little here, and it's got a great rechargeable battery. Now I'll show you how this thing works as we dig out the dirt out of this water meter box. So it tends to clog up a lot when you have rocks or heavier dirt. So we'll give it another shot here. It doesn't really suck a whole lot up of this stuff, but we'll see another shot here. I'll show you. It'll get better. There we go. So, jams up. So for this kind of job, this is not the right tool. I think this thing is pretty lame, and it clogs up with these little rocks here. And
So get a bigger, wider vacuum hose connector area and stronger suction.
so this is 20 volt, not the way to go if you want this industrial size. But maybe for your little house and cleaning up your cat litter might be pretty good. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.